Elon Musk has shared a video of Tesla's Optimus humanoid robot folding a shirt. The project has come a long way since a very early prototype was shown at Tesla AI Day 2022. Tesla aims to eventually have the robot in people's homes performing a wide range of tasks, but it first plans to have them in its own manufacturing operations for repetitive and/or dangerous tasks. The video of the robot folding a shirt is available in the article. An international team of neuroscientists has identified 5 distinct subtypes of Alzheimer's disease. The finding has breakthrough implications for treatment approaches and efficacy. The subtypes can be identified by the categories of fluid surrounding the brains of patients. Each of the 5 subtypes is linked to a unique genetic risk profile. They reveal different molecular pathways to what has traditionally been considered as one overall disease. Surya is a multilingual document OCR toolkit that can provide accurate line-level text detection. Text recognition and table and chart detection are coming soon. Surya works on a range of documents and languages. One of the easiest ways to accidentally spend too much money on AWS is by carelessly transferring data. Any application that involves sending data between resources in different availability zones will incur such charges. These prices easily add up and are an extremely high-margin source of profit for cloud providers. This article looks at how to set up cross-availability zone infrastructure without paying for data transfer costs. It suggests using S3, which already replicates data between availability zones as part of its service. People with a lot of coding experience and good referrals are suddenly finding it hard to get employed. The job market has been difficult for many job seekers. It appears that companies are looking for very specific skills. The market is much slower than it was between 2020 to 2022. Several commenters in this thread provide CV and job searching advice for those struggling to find work. Copilot Pro, which provides access to AI-powered features inside Office apps, is launching today as a $20 monthly subscription. LCD monitors have been pushing 500 Hz for around a year now, and multiple OLED monitors hitting speeds of 360 Hz and 480 Hz were introduced at CES 2024. Gaining knowledge about hardware is equally important to learning code. This post by a software engineer explains how they learned how to build a bare metal Kubernetes cluster and set up the network for it. YouTube appears to be slowing down the site for ad block users. Turning off ad blockers immediately improves loading performance for affected users. The ad block detection causes strange issues, like a lag that makes full screen and comments not work or Chrome being unable to load other web pages while YouTube is open. The slowdowns may be due to ad blockers altering YouTube's code and unrelated to YouTube. A deeper look into a recent study where researchers tried and failed to remove sleeper agents from AI. Elon Musk said on Monday that he wants about 25% of voting control over Tesla. Musk already owns around 13% of the company. He says that he is uncomfortable growing Tesla to be a leader in AI and robotics without having the control. He wants to be influential, but not so much that he can't be overturned. The bid for more control will add to the pressure on Tesla's board of directors, who is already facing investor concerns over several issues, including Musk's split focus, the use of company resources, and federal probes. Apple plans to split the Apple Store in the EU from the rest of the world by March 7.